Are you finding it hard to lay your 6x6 lace on your wig cap? Let me show you the correct and easy way.
I want to teach you how to get your cap placement line on a canvas head. First, you turn your canvas head to the side. You can see one side is flat and the other side is curved. Now, the flat side is the front, while the curved side is the back. Now, this line is where your cap placement line should be, and I'll be showing you how to get this line in this video. Because when you center your cap correctly, you're already on a path for a flawless wigging. Now, how do you get this line and how do you center it? You can see a straight line in the center of this mannequin. You place your tape there. Don't place your tape from where the canvas material started from. Place your tape from where the black plastic started from, and you measure till you get the number 9. Once you get the number 9, use a permanent marker or a pen to mark it permanently, so you don't have to repeat this every time you want to wig. So that's how you get your cap placement line on a canvas head. Okay guys, let's begin. So I know most of us are used to wigging closures, frontals, 5x5, but not everybody has wigged a 6x6 closure before. So I've been getting demands from people on the proper way of placing this. That's why I'm doing this video, because after placing the front and the back, the side just keeps on lifting. It doesn't lay flat. And this is because you've been placing it wrongly, and I'm going to demonstrate in this video. The first step to doing this is using the right mannequin, which is your size 23 canvas head. The second step is, instead of wearing your wig cap normally, you're going to be wearing it backwards on your canvas head. Then after that, you're going to turn the canvas head to the back. Make sure you center your tape properly and measure 6 on the back of your canvas head. Mark it with a line and drag and pin your net in the line that you marked. The reason of measuring 6 is because the length of your canvas head is 6. So after that, you have to center, pin and sew your 6x6 closure just like you would do normally, only that this time you're sewing from the back. And when you're done with that, unpin and remove the cap from the canvas head and wear it normally, which is placing the closure in the front. And as you can see, you successfully sewn yourself a 6x6 closure that is well laid and flat on all angles. And you can also like and follow to get notified when we drop more updates like this. And if there are other ways you know we can place a 6x6 closure, you can also indicate in the comment section. And also let us know how helpful this video is. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!
See how flat and neat that lace looks? If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.